Hi everyone, Tian here from VALR. I'm excited to show you a brand new way to buy crypto on VALR, faster, simpler, and using the payment methods you already know. We've partnered with checkout.com, a leading global payment provider, to let you buy any supported crypto asset using your card, Apple Pay or Google Pay. And you can pay in your own local currency too. That means no more switching platforms, no complicated conversions, and no surprises. You get a clear quote upfront and crypto in your VALR wallet within seconds. Here's how it works. From your wallet's page or VALR dashboard, you can simply navigate to buy crypto. The first thing you'll notice is that we have a brand new redesigned drawdown slide out, allowing you to either buy or sell your favorite crypto asset within seconds. If you want to buy crypto with checkout, you'll first select the asset that you want to buy. Next, you'll select your preferred payment method. As mentioned earlier, checkout supports credit or debit card, Google Pay or Apple Pay. For now, I'll proceed with credit card. You can then select one of over 150 different local currencies. Choosing a local currency means that you'll be charged in that same currency, and it also makes quoting a lot easier. For this demonstration, I'll proceed with USD. I'll then specify the amount of crypto I want to buy. You'll then be presented with various quotes from various providers. In this case, I will choose checkout, and I will click review order. The review order screen is basically a summary of the payment method you've selected, the fees that you'll be charged, the amount you are spending, and the amount of crypto you'll be receiving as a rough estimate. Once you are happy, you can click confirm, after which you'll be prompted to complete payment. You can then simply enter your card details and continue. After you pay, your crypto is delivered almost instantly and you can view all the details in your transaction history. We're really excited to bring you a smoother, more global way to buy crypto on VALR. Give it a try and let us know what you think.